What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Steph the Lawn Surgeon, and you already know what time it is. Tips of talk. Alright, people, as you can see, we in the shed, and as you already know, I'm grilling. But today we're going to talk about a subject that I had to, and you know that's annoying me, that little squeaking noise. I got to scoot up. Oh yeah, there we go. Really? Anyway, and the bugs is out, man. I got to get my tiki torches out, bro. They right there. Them tiki torches work wonders. I was never a believer in tiki torches. I might light one up this evening while I'm smoking chicken. I have to clarify that because every time I label my videos that I'm chilling and smoking, I'm not able to monetize it for obvious reasons. Scoot this chair up. Jeez Louise. There we go. We're gonna talk about having multiple trades in your business, and even within your business, when you have multiple services, I think sometimes you can have too many services. I think you should just keep it simple, and you have to remember at the end of the day, it's your business. It's not this customer's business that wants you to clean gutters. It's not this customer business that wants you to do a patio for them. It's your business. So if you don't want to clean gutters, if you don't want to do patio, if you don't want to power wash, you don't got to do it. And I'm going to tell you why I decided not to expand my business. Because back when I first started, I knew lots of people that was making money doing lots of different things. They got those do it all businesses. Like, they do everything: lawn care, power washing, they handyman, plumbing. And I'm gonna tell you why that's not a good idea long term. Short term, yeah, you're gonna make a lot of money doing that. Long term, not so much. When I used to talk to people, a couple of things that I think I wanted to get into was drainage, power washing, and maybe hardscapes. I just want to do hardscapes so people make mad money in hardscapes. But then I started to think about it this way, right? One, like say when I first started off, like you might be starting off, you got about 10 lawn care clients. And say I was doing power washing. Now I will have about 6 power washing clients, and maybe I would do about 1 or 2 hardscape jobs a year, right? As I grow, now let's say I get up to about 30 lawn care clients. Now I got about 15 power washing clients, and I do about 5 hardscape jobs a year, bro. Now that's getting kind of busy. Now let's say we get up to 50 lawn care customers. Now I got about 30 power washing customers, and now I'll do about 10 to 15 hardscape jobs a year. That's a lot of work. It's a lot of money, but it's a lot of work. It's essentially running 3 different businesses under one umbrella. But for what? I mean, unless you have a passion for those things, okay. If you got a passion for doing those things, that's fine. Don't just do them just because you're making money, because like I said, as they grow, it's going to be like having multiple businesses. And then with having multiple businesses, think about this, just within lawn care, you start off with like cheap residential equipment or whatever, and eventually you realize you have to upgrade your equipment. So you had to pay more money to get commercial equipment, better equipment, multiple setups. And if you're doing 3 different businesses, guess what? You're gonna have to do the same thing. So now you're gonna have to upgrade from residential to commercial power washing equipment setup, residential to commercial hardscape setup, and then you're gonna have to maintain all that equipment. You get what I'm saying? One of my biggest things when I was building my business, and I'm still building it, is having multi-purpose equipment. I love multi-purpose equipment. That's why all I use is Echo PAS trimmers, because it's multi-purpose. I got one trimmer that can do whatever I want it to do. You know, I love my Mustang with the bagger system. It can mow and it can bag up leaves or debris that I need it to. I love my Gravely. You said, why is the Gravely multi-faceted? The Gravely can mow grass like nobody's business. Rocky, get from over there. That's my dog. It can mow grass like nobody's business, and it has a hitch on it, so it can tow all my attachments. My T-bar, it can cut grass regular. The 2 purposes that T-bar has: one, it's a 36-inch deck, so any yard, I just went and gave a quote for a yard today. Any yard that I can't get into the gate, with my Gravely, the T-bar normally could get in there, and it has a mulching kit on it. So if I need to mulch up somebody's grass nice and neat, or I need to mulch up leaves, multi-purpose. You get what I'm saying? So everything in my setup is multi-purpose. Rocky! So, made me break my train of thought. But yeah, you know, that's how I was starting my business off. I thought about like, oh, I need to grow, I need to make more money. But then I was just like, no, I just need to be patient. I didn't need to be patient. I need to sit back and just wait for my business to grow. So I picked like 5 services. I only provide 5 services in my business, legitly, and they all involve the equipment I got. If I don't got the equipment, I don't provide it. The only thing I did promise this year was, I talked about that in the last video, was I promised some pole saw action, and I don't even have a pole saw. But I need a pole saw because I used to have one, so that's nothing to get. It's just an attachment, probably. They can between $200, $300, and I just slap it on my PAS trimmer, and we good to go. But let me go see what this chicken looking like. I think it's time for me to flip it anyway, and add some chips. So that's what we gonna do. There we go. Of course, as you know, I am cooking these lovely thighs. Thighs for the guys. I know a lot of people, they don't flip the meat when they smoke it. I like to rotate. It's like rotisserie, you know. And as you see all those juices in the bottom of there. I like to put it in these pans so the chicken can soak in its own juices, stay nice and moist, nice and juicy. And as you know, like I said the last video, I basted it with barbecue sauce, and then I put my sweet rub on it. So that's how we're doing that. Of course, spray it with a little bit of that apple juice. Keep it juicy. And we about to add some chips. Oh yeah. That's looking good. Move that to the side. I'm gonna put some pecan chips right there in the middle there. That's the last of that bag. I'm gonna throw it. I got another bag in the truck. Safety first. Put on my little glove here. No glove, no love. Chips kicking already. Throw a couple little charcoals on there. Oh my goodness, that is pretty. All right. Where were we? We got 11 minutes, bro. That's pretty much all I want to talk about. I had another subject I was going to talk about, but I'll probably save that for another tipsy talk. Let me see here. I could talk about my week. This week, the weather has been lovely. Still got to clean up my yard. I went to clean up my yard, and my Husqvarna, the backpack blower, the 150BT, was spewing gas like a stream out of one of the little tubes coming from the gas tank. So I'm in the process of replacing that. So you'll probably see this video on Thursday, and then you'll probably see that video on Saturday. Anywho, I think I'm gonna wrap this up. Like I said, look out for that video of the blower on Saturday. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.